how to report someone on IMO. Ever been in a situation on IMO where someone is not playing nice? Maybe they are sending spam, bothering you, or saying something inappropriate. It happens. And knowing how to deal with it is super important for staying safe online. So, how do you report them? It's actually quite straightforward. First things first, let's open up the IMO app and go inside it. Now, in order to report someone, what you have to do is simply go to the chat or the profile of the person that you want to report. For example, I want to report the person's right over here. Let's tap on it and go inside it. Once you're inside the chat, simply tap on their profile picture, which is right over here. Let's tap on it. And that will take you to their main profile page, and this is their main profile page. Now what you have to do is simply scroll down, and there you can see an option called report. Simply tap on it, and over there IMO will ask you to select the reason. Is it spam, harassment, nudity, or pornography, inappropriate content, and there's other options too. Choose the reason that fits best with your situation. This helps IMO to understand what's going on. Let's tap it's spam or scams like this. Once you click on that, you have to choose how the user contact you. Let's tap on the call from the options, and they have been reported. Now, IMO will review your report. For your added peace of mind, you might also want to block them, right? Then you can do that too. How you can do that? You can see the another video right over here too. It's all about keeping your online space comfortable and safe. Pretty easy, right? So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amusing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.